Hello everyone. Our topic number 37 is shortcut to solve simultaneous linear equations. Shortcut method to solve simultaneous linear equations. These equations are the set of variables or set of equations. These are the set of equations having two variables, say x and y. We have to calculate the value of x and y by shortcut method. Equation is given 2x plus 3y equals to 17, 3x minus 2y equals to 6. Now write the coefficients of x and y and constant terms 2, 3, 17, 3, minus 2, 6. 2 and 3 are the coefficient of x, 3 and 2 minus 2 are the coefficients of y, and 17 and 6 are constant terms. Now to find the value of x, first multiply, draw alpha like this, means multiply 6 into 3 minus 2 into 17. 6 into 3 minus 2 into 17. 6 into 3 minus 2 into 17. Minus 2 into 17. Again, alpha is like this, means this into this minus this into this. For denominator, again draw alpha. Now this way, right? Means 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2. Again, this into this minus this into this. For this denominator, draw like this, 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2. By solving this, we get 6 into 3, 18, plus 17 into 2, 34, 3 into 3, 9, plus 2 into 2, 4, which implies x equals to 52 by 13, which is equals to 4. Therefore, by shortcut method, x equals to 4. Clear? Now for calculating value of y. For calculating value of y, again write coefficients. We have 2, 3, 17, 3 minus 2, 6. For calculating value y, we start with the coefficients of x. First, y equals to, for numerator, 17 into 3 minus 2 into 6. This way, 17 into 3 minus 2 into 6. 17 into 3 minus 2 into 6. 17 into 3 minus 2 into 6. Now for denominator, again alpha in same direction, but between the coefficients of x and coefficients of y. See this. again negative sign, means like this, 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2. We get 17 into 3, 51 minus 12 over 9 minus 4, means 9 plus 4, 13, which implies y equals to 39 by 13 equals to 3, which implies y equals to 3. By shortcut method, our equation was 2x plus 3y equals to 17, 3x minus 2y equals to 6. By shortcut method, we get x equals to 4 and y equals to 3. First this way, then this way. For calculating the value of y, bigger alpha between coefficients of x and constant term, then smaller alpha between coefficients of x and coefficients of y. We get y equals to 3. One more example. Example number 2. 3x plus 2y equals to 6. 9x plus 5y equals to 18. This is a special case example. Example number 2. Now see, if 1 is in the ratio, then other one equals to 0. If 1 is in the ratio, then other one equals to 0. See the coefficients of x, 3 and 9, and coefficients of constant term 6 and 18. Now 3 and 9 are in same ratio, 3 by 9, 6 by 18, means 1:3, 1:3, means coefficients of x are in the same ratio with constant terms. So by direct or by observation method, put y equals to 0 over here, which implies y equals to 0. Simple. By shortcut method, if ratio of x, coefficients of x and constant terms are in same ratio, then directly put y equals to 0, means value of y is always equals to 0. Now put y equals to 0 in equation number 1. We get 3x equals to 6 implies x equals to 2. Right? This is a shortcut method. If ratios of one coefficient is equals to ratios of constants, means 3:9 is equals to 6:18, then other one means other variable is always equals to 0. Let's do one more example. Example number 3. 426x plus 128y equals to 512 and 792x plus 256y equals to 1024. These are two equations. Find x and y. Find x and y. 426x plus 128y equals to 512. 792x plus 256y equals to 1024. Now see the ratios. Here ratios of coefficients of y is equals to constant terms. 128 ratio 256 is equals to 512 ratio 1024. Therefore put, which means x equals to 0, which implies x equals to 0. Now put x equals to 0 in equation number 1. We get y equals to 512 divided by 128, which is equals to 4. Therefore y equals to 4. Answer by direct observations. If ratios of one variable, coefficients of one variable is equals to ratios of constant terms, then other variable is always equals to 0. No need to calculate in lengthy calculations, right? Here coefficients of x are in same ratio with constant term, therefore y equals to 0. So put y equals to 0 over here, we can easily calculate the value of x. In second equation, coefficients of y are in same ratio with constant terms, therefore we have x equals to 0. No need to calculate. Put x equals to 0 in this equation, we get y equals to 4. This is a shortcut method when ratios are same. Let's try one more example. Example number 4. We have 71x plus 37y equals to 253 and 37x plus 71y equals to 287. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. See the similarity. 71x means coefficients of x and coefficients of y are equal. Coefficients of x and coefficients of y are found interchanged. Here 71 coefficient of x is equals to 71 coefficient of y in other equation, and coefficient of y is equals to, in second equation, coefficient of x. Now shortcut method for this to calculate the value of x and y is, first add equation number 1 and equation number 2. Add equation number 1 and equation number 2. We get 108 x plus y equals to 540, which implies x plus y equals to 5. Now subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. We get 34x minus y equals to minus 34, which implies x minus y equals to minus 1, which implies x minus y equals to minus 1. Means first add both the equations and then subtract both the equations. Simply by calculating these two equations, we get x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Answer: x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Means if coefficients are found to be interchanged, means coefficient of first is equals to coefficient of second variable in second equation, coefficient of y is equals to coefficient of x in second equation, then simply first add both the equations and then subtract both the equations. It becomes easy. X plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to minus 1. Then by solving these two equations, we get x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. These are few examples by shortcut method. Now few examples for your assignment. Solve x and y from these equations, or find x and y from these equations. 2x minus 3y equals to 1. Question number 2, 9x plus 2y equals to 2, 3x plus 5y equals to 5. Equation number 3, 37x plus 43y equals to 123 and 43x plus 37y equals to 117. Solve these three equations, find x and y and write in comment box below.